Struggling to manage hospital documents, brochures, reports, and facility information across multiple spreadsheets and folders? What if all your location data and important documents could be accessed directly from an interactive map? MAPOG makes it easy to centralize healthcare facility information by allowing you to upload CSV data, map hospital locations, and attach PDFs, documents, and other resources to each location. First, head over to story.mapog.com. Now go to the Create and Publish section and click on Create New Map. Next, select the With Template option. Now select the Category Map template. Enter your project title and description. Then click on Create Map. Now, let's start building our healthcare facility mapping page. In the Upload Image section under Map Settings, you can upload your company logo. Next, let's add hospital locations to the map. Go to Add Location and click on Upload CSV. Before uploading the CSV file, we first need to create a business location template. To do this, click on the Select Business Location Template Settings icon, then select New Type. Now enter a name for your location type and set the geometry type to point. Now add custom attributes such as hospital ID and numbers. Add Documents field and choose the field type to Document. This will allow you to upload document to the map location. You can also add any additional project-specific details you want to display on the map. Once done, click on Create Type. This template helps standardize and organize all hospital information in a structured format. Now go back to the Upload CSV section. From the drop-down menu, select the business location template you just created. Click on Select File and choose your CSV file. Then click on Upload. First, in Unique ID field, assign Hospital ID. This helps prevent duplicate records from being created. Then, match the other attributes with columns in your CSV file. Lastly, select latitude and longitude to assign location data to map. Once all fields are mapped correctly, click on Submit. Your hospital locations will now appear on the map as points. You can click on any point to view detailed information and attributes for that specific hospital. Now, let's attach PDFs and additional documents to a map location. Click on any hospital point and select the pencil/edit icon. Here, you can edit the business location details, images, and upload additional files such as PDF documents, hospital brochures, reports, medical facility documents, other supporting files. When done, save the location. This makes it easy to centralize all important information within the map interface, making them easily accessible directly from the map. You can customize the icon style to make your map more visually appealing and easier to understand. To do this, go to Map Layer, click on Default Style, and select New Style. In the Style modifier, you can choose from a variety of visualization options. For example, go to Category Style. Here you can select the attribute you want to visualize. You can assign different colors and icons, making it easier to identify and distinguish locations on the map. Next, to group hospitals based on specific attributes, click on Group by Attributes. Now choose an attribute such as area, equipment availability, or hospital type. This helps categorize your map and improves data visualization for users. Finally, go to Preview and Share. From here, you can keep the map public or private, generate a shareable link, and embed the map on your website. Invite team members using the Add User option for collaboration. And that's how you can attach PDFs and documents to map locations using MAPOG. For further help, reach out to us at support@theratemaPog.com. Thanks for watching.